Alright, so this last thing in arrays that we're going to talk about right now is a for loop. There are lots of more convenient ways to do this in JavaScript and better practices, but what we're going to do is just use this same array that we had from our previous array video, and we're going to just write a for loop, and then I'll show you how other ways to do a for loop. So I'm going to do for, and what we're going to do is declare I is equal to 0, and then we're going to say as long as I is less than things, and then here's another method, length. So this will return the length. Well, this isn't a method because I'm not going to run a function. I'm not doing that. This is a property. So length is how many values there are. So there's 0 through 7, which means there's 8. And then every time that I go through this for loop, I'm going to do I plus plus, which means I'm going to add 1 to I. That I plus plus is the same as saying as I is equal to I plus 1. Might help if that was actually an I. So I is equal to I plus 1. But shorthand is just I plus plus. So let's create a new variable in here. We'll call it var thing. I'm going to say thing is equal to things I. So we're getting the index of whatever I is, and we're assigning it to a thing. And then we're going to log we're going to say the value of I concatenating the strings, and then we'll say thing. So this will give us the index number and what the thing is. So let's clear this out, and we will run it. Unexpected token, closed parenthesis, where there isn't one needed. Oh, comma. Semicolon. There we go. Let's clear that again, run that, and it went all the way, just keeps going. Oh, as long as break. We're going to break the computer because 1 is always less than things.length in this case. So that's exciting. So what's going to happen here is this is going to run forever, and my computer literally will break. So I'm going to open up another tab, copy this, paste it in here. We should see that we are still with the same thing, and if we inspect the element, whew, okay, so we're back at a spot where we're not going on for infinity. I mean, if you look, it's done this 36,000 times now. So what we're gonna do is go up here and go to Window and Chrome and go to Task Manager, and we're going to look at the ones using the most amount of memory, and we're just going to end that process. And should be able to close the Task Manager now, and we'll close that. Whew, that was crazy.